Today, we're diving into one of the biggest mysteries in the entire universe, dark matter. But we're going to look at it through a lens that is so different, so out there, it might just redefine not only dark matter, but matter itself, and maybe even the very nature of space.
What if it's not just a passive stage where the universe happens, but it's actually the active, fundamental stuff from which everything else emerges?
What we call matter, particles, atoms, you and me, we're not things in space, we're simply what space itself is doing in a very specific, localized way.
And you should think of it less like an empty box and more like a vast, vibrating ocean. Now imagine a ripple traveling through a giant sheet of fabric. Then, imagine that ripple twisting and tying itself into a stable, persistent knot. That knot can move around, it can interact with things, but it can't easily come undone. Well, in this model, a particle is one of those self-trapped, stable knots of vibration in the fabric of space. It's kind of like having AM and FM radio waves occupying the exact same space. Your AM radio simply cannot detect the FM signals, even though they're right there. It's just matter that's on a different channel. It's a hidden soliton. The answer is built right into the fabric of reality itself. This isn't about adding some patch or some exotic new ingredient to our theories. Suddenly, we have one single, unified principle, the idea that all matter is a topological knot of vibrating space that can explain both the visible universe and the dark universe. Both visible and dark matter are just different behaviors of the exact same underlying stuff. This becomes a potential blueprint for a truly unified picture of all of reality. Just think about what this means. You've got normal matter, those are the knots in the visible sector. You've got dark matter, those are the knots in a hidden sector. And then you have gravity, which isn't some separate force at all, but it's the shared geometric effect of all of these knots warping the one reality they both inhabit. As the authors of the framework state, the ambition here is enormous. It really aims to be a theory of everything, and it's all derived from the simple idea that space itself is everything.